else pack them in like we do. Like, check this booger out. We got to get the Jeep right up to the cart, right up to the wall, and then the Denali right up to the workbench without tapping anything. But that's how we do it. Someday, maybe a bigger garage. It is a little bit dark in here, guys, in the garage, but it is my wife and I's anniversary, so happy anniversary, babe. We have been together for 8 years now, married, and several years before that, and it just feels so great. I could not ask for a better woman to accompany me in this life. God bless her, and thank you guys for all the support on the channel. We are actually just got back, from the Hawkeyes game from Kinnick Stadium. Some absolutely epic views there in the stadium. We got the W and just a great time. So just wanted to say, babe, I love you. Let's get on with the show, guys. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to my garage here. We are here to talk about a letter I got in the mail. Some of you probably got this letter as well. That's why I'm making this video. Curious with your guys' thoughts and inputs on this topic, so let's dive right into it, guys. This letter says owners of certain Chevrolet and GM trucks can claim cash from a $35 million settlement, estimating payment range from $400 to $12,700. So that got my attention right away, right out of the box. I want to know what's going on here. If you guys are GM owners that have trucks that have the faulty fuel pump that GM had put in these vehicles, allegedly they knew about it. I'm not here to knock GM. I'm a huge GM fan, and no, this is not going to change my stance. I'm going to stay by their product. I love GM Chevy trucks. I do like some Power Strokes and some Cumminses too, but I'm a Duramax guy, hands down, utmost, foremost, and I'm going to roll with that. But I am curious about this fuel pump settlement because I've always wanted to get that replaced. If anybody else has the ticking time machine, just waiting for that thing to blow and send metal shrapnel all the way through your hydraulic system, your fuel lines, the pump, etc., causing a lot of damage to a lot of people. That's what this here settlement is supposed to fix. It looks like they have a lot of money allocated. If I were to read it right off the script, they got $30 million coming to people that have paid out of pocket for a CP4 repair. Payments could range from $6,356 all the way up to $12,712. So I know a lot of people over the last several years have had these pumps go out and they've had to pay out of pocket for them. So there's a bunch of money allocated for the reimbursement of those folks. And then also there's $5 million going to people who have no longer own their trucks, who sold their trucks that still have that problem. They're sending a little bit of money out to those people. And then the last spot there is cash back for future repairs. So basically there's a reimbursement program going to provide future warranty coverage by reimbursing 50% of costs paid for a CP4 repair performed at a GM authorized dealership on or after the date of final approval of the settlement. Now, I think on the back there is the court will hold a final approval hearing on January 21st, 2025 to consider whether the settlement is fair, reasonable, and adequate. The one goofy thing about this deal is that it only includes certain states. Let's see, they are California, Florida, Illinois, Iowa, New York, Pennsylvania, or Texas. So if you bought a truck from March 1st, 2010 through September 13th of 2024 from a certified GM dealer, you are covered under this. So they have a website where you basically just punch in your VIN. It'll go green if you're part of it. If not, it won't, obviously. But just for fun, you know, me and Ovi looked up our trucks, not this one behind me here. This is a 2011, but this one already has the CP3 conversion in it, so no need. Plus, this didn't come from a dealer. But for my 2015, my daily driver LML, I did buy that from a dealership in Iowa, so I'm covered. Ovi's 2015, I believe it's a 15 or 16, his Denali, his white one, is covered as well. He punched his in and it's good. So just kind of curious, you know, where do we go from here, what our options are. It looks like I can't speak for Ovi, maybe he already repaired his truck himself at his shop because he owns a shop. The thing that sucks, like if you take some of this language, like if people really did pay $12,700 for a new fuel pump, if I were to spend that, and I would be part of the 50% club, so I'm only going to get $6 grand back. I'm still going to end up paying 50% of the cost to repair that thing. That sounds like a terrible deal. I'd rather just get a lump sum. I don't know if there's a way I can do that and just roll the dice. My truck is probably, I would say, 150,000 miles on it, and it ain't blown yet. I don't know if they all are going to blow at some point. That's more of a question for Ovi. I guess I could ask. Should maybe consult him a little bit more, but this video is just to help spread the word that, hey, there's a lot of stuff going on with this. It looks like it's finally coming to an end, and I want people to be able to know about it and be able to collect if they are due, help some people out with their vehicles. Again, no harm, no foul in my eyes from GM. It is what it is. Things slip through the cracks in big companies. I get it. So I'm not here to bash that by any means. And if you guys want a little better info than just me here, if you go to my fellow HSP brother, Truckmaster, I say that because we're both sponsored by HSP, but I don't know him personally. He seems like a great dude. People think very highly of him, and he put together a video too with some more information. I'm just making this video because the more people that speak up and speak out, we can all learn and help each other. So again, a lot going on with this, more to come. If you guys have some comments, put them down below. Let me know if you've done the repair. How bad is it? Ovi said he loves this repair. It's probably a good money maker for his shop, or maybe he just likes doing these repairs. But anyways, yeah, that's kind of it for now, guys. Stick around if you're into truck stuff. If you're new to the channel, see what else we have to offer. We love working with you guys, meeting you guys, and collaboration. So with that, I'll let you guys go, but I'll be sure to update you guys in the future on what comes of it, at least for us on our end, and we'll kind of go from there. But yeah, peace, guys. God bless you.